my god, the initial view from this place is so nice. And it's pretty cool.
Oh wow, this is nice. Yeah, get a photo, get a photo.
This is baked white cheese.
Whoa, there's a pool up here.
Wow, this is like a hidden gem. Good morning from Albania again, but this time we are in paradise. It's in Saranda, down south.
Yes, we are here for 3 nights and have things planned every day that we're down here for the weekend. I took a Friday off, so I am not working today.
Sadly, he did work all day yesterday, so what was nice is my friend came to visit us from Ireland, and we got to go kind of explore what this island has to offer, from the beautiful ocean side all the way up to the top of the mountain with a beautiful sunset, and it's definitely worth checking out. I'll be posting the short forms of what I did yesterday on my Instagram and TikTok, so check that out if you want to see that. But today is going to be a long form video all about the top beach club here in Albania.
I have not seen Saranda yet, so they're going to show me around and we're going to go relax.
All right, let's get to it. How much?
2,000. Maybe we drive. So
we have found that taxis here can be quite expensive, and they do upcharge when you talk to them straight from the street. So we found that going with actually this Saranda Eco taxi has been the best. So they usually are about 500 lek cheaper than all the other taxis around. We were trying to just get from the port side to the Lost Seaside, which it's only about a 10-minute drive, and everyone was trying to charge us 20 euros, where this place charges us only 15, and it's all electric, and it's a really nice ride, and you can wait in here in the AC, so a much better experience than trying to just get one off the road, and they charge you way more.
Going now, only free.
Oh my god, the initial view from this place is so nice. And it's crazy, it's just a free-for-all. You just go grab whatever bed you want. So we're gonna go down and pick one. Wow. Wow, the further you get into this club, the nicer it gets. These cabanas by the water with the net over top just feels like luxury. It is so nice here. And honestly, the prices aren't bad for actually what you get. So this is so worth it. If you are in Saranda or in the area, in the Castamil area, this is definitely a must go to. I'm excited to see what kind of food and drinks they have here too. So what is nice is they do provide you with towels. You can get them for 100 lek, which is about 10 euro, and it's only a deposit. So as soon as you leave, you give them the towels back and they give you your cash back. I do like that system. It kind of keeps you honest, and then it also doesn't cost extra on top of what you're paying, just a deposit to ensure that you don't steal the towel. So there are a couple options to eat. So you can scan the QR code and then order the food to the cabana that you're in. However, it looks like all of the food is a lot of sushi and a lot of the fresh fish, which is great for a lot of people, but not for me because I'm vegetarian. So we're gonna head up to the restaurant, check that area out, and see what they have to offer. It looks like they might have more vegetarian food for me up there, and then we're gonna come back and enjoy our cabana.
This is so cute. Whoa, there's a pool up here. Wow. This is a great hotel.
So there is not many vegetarian options. However, the breakfast seemed like it wasn't serving anymore, and it looked like maybe breakfast had more options. I got a bunch of little starters and a salad, but Logan and Alice, they went to town.
So we got some of our food. We still have some more on the way. We ordered, well, I guess you'll see it. What's in front of me is a sea bass carpaccio. Not sure if I've ever had this before.
No, that's a baked cheese.
I don't know.
Really?
I think this is the sea bass carpaccio.
Oh my gosh, I thought that was the baked cheese. I'm so wrong.
Exotic fruits. Sounds just like the menu. And then we have a shrimp Caesar salad, which I'm gonna try first.
All right, let's do it.
Need a little nutrition in my life.
It's not Caesar dressing.
No?
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, it's a little different.
No, it's different.
Mm.
It's more creamy, like maybe closer to like a white ranch sauce or something. Yeah, and there's no croutons.
The
Lots of
shrimp.
tomatoes in there.
The shrimp is fantastic. It's like grilled, charred, but not chewy.
We got more food on the way.
That's definitely worth it. We do.
Hello, you ordered chicken tacos, sir?
Yes. Put those right in front of me.
And crispy potato.
Thank you. Tell them and Derek. I'll put this over here.
Anyway, I'm not helping you. Anyway, I understand.
Okay. Well, thank you. Wow. Now we have the chicken tacos just in time. Do we get a shot of this? I don't want to, camera eats first. All right. Oh, I'm gonna get messy. Don't judge me. I could eat that all day, every day. That's so good. I might order another one of these. Abby, you have a couple things in front of you. Let's
You
do
gotta
it.
try this carpaccio. This looks so crazy.
I forgot. Oh, I still have. There's guacamole everywhere. Real citrusy. There's like a lime. It's acidic. I'm not sure. Never had fish with fruits.
Does it work?
Actually works. It's a good compliment because it's so acidic. The sugar. I'm gonna get a little spice too. I got some chilies. At first I had the taste like it was about to melt my face off. It's not too spicy though. This is good. I'm happy with this. It's a little bit on the pricey side. I'd say a lot of meals are between like 1,000, 2,000, between like 10, 20 euro, which isn't bad. It's pretty standard for like most of Europe, but for the quality, I'm happy. But it's Abby's turn. Looks good.
Looks like
Olive
pesto.
oil. Yeah.
It's olive oil and pesto.
Yeah, I think it's pesto, yeah. It's supposed to be balsamic, yeah?
Okay. It's gonna be a big bite. The pesto is so good and so fresh. This is really good. I'm gonna devour that. I like the pita with it actually. Okay, this is baked white cheese. Ooh, there's Kalamata olives in it. I love Kalamata olives. It's baked feta. This is really good. And then I got potatoes, and they said it was spicy. We'll see how spicy. It's spicy mayo. Oh, that's good. Not spicy though. If you're used to spicy, this is not spicy. Really good kick though. Yeah, I think we're gonna be really happy with the food here. So we ate most of our food, and I have to say it wasn't too bad. It wasn't what we expected, but it wasn't as expensive as we thought either. It was around 68 euro or 68,000 lek, 6,800 lek. So really affordable actually compared to a lot of the other beach clubs that we've been to. ordered coffees to the cabana.
Oh, finally at 2 p.m.
We have had a very successful day at this beach club. We got to kind of see sunset. Unfortunately, though, it was a little bit blocked by clouds.
A little clouded.
But I think we've had a really good day. We had really good food here. We got fruit platters, got to soak in the sun. Yeah, really good day. But we're starting to get hungry and we want a different option. So we're actually going to a restaurant that we can see from this beach club. It's just right over here. And it's supposed to be a newly rated, highly rated restaurant. So it's supposed to have traditional food.
Abby did all this research, so if it's good, thank you. If it's bad,
I am so happy we saw this. This is a beautiful restaurant. Wow, this is like a hidden gem.
Our calamari. It looks so good. Alice, how is it?
Oh, wow, so good. It's soft. That one tastes very fresh.
Squeeze some lemon over it. What is that?
That is, I would like to think tzatziki sauce, but I don't see the dill.
It's so
Fresh,
fresh.
right? Fresh.
It's actually tender.
Yeah.
A lot of calamari is chewy. This is really good.
You didn't overcook it. It's perfect. Wow.
Let's try the tzatziki.
It looks like some like garlic dip. I don't think it's tzatziki.
Yeah, no, it is. It's light, but it's good. It's fresh.
Okay, so the menu does say vegetarian everything, but it was a mess up. So I got one of the only things that was vegetarian on the menu. It's a tagliatelle pasta with a special type of mushroom and truffle. Oh, wow, it smells so much like truffle.
Strong?
Mm-hmm. Wow.
Absolutely delicious.
Wow, absolutely delicious. This is so good. It's so creamy. They did a really good job. And honestly, I like the type of mushroom that's in here. And I'm normally not a mushroom person. This is a really good place. I'm glad we found this. And it's a great vibe in here too.
Hey, wow.
It does look good. But for the price, 5
Shrimps.
shrimps, prawns.
Value.
Seems a little light, but we're not super hungry, so maybe this is the right amount. Excuse me while I break this down. I'm very slow at this. See, it like sticks to the meat. Is that just me? How'd you already eat one? And we're back. Very good. I feel like I just pulled all the flavor off of it. But pretty good. It's not bad.
Is it fresh?
It's very fresh. I don't know if they get this here, but I imagine they do, because it tastes like they do. We aren't, like I said, super hungry, otherwise I would have gotten a big meal. Something more like what Abby got. So we're just doing these appetizers, but very good. If you like prawn, highly recommend.
Today's been a very successful day.
Yes.
We've been fed, we've been under the sun, we've had drinks.
You know, compared to a lot of places we go to, this was very relaxing.
It was. It's very calm here. I think we are here during slow season, so it's not as hyped. So typically the day club does turn into a night club in the evening, but I don't think it is right now just because it is slow season.
Even where we're sitting, there's like no one here this month.
Yeah, and it's a
is it?
Friday night at like
End of
7:30.
End of September, like this is the slower season.
But you
Highly
still get
recommend.
good hot weather.
Yeah.
So it's a good time to come. And I don't know if the prices are cheaper or more expensive during the high season, but today overall we spent about $200 US.
Which on a vacation, even
Yeah.
though that's not what we're on at the moment, it's not that much. And
Yeah.
the day was full, so were our bellies. It was awesome.
Yeah, I think it's quite reasonable.
Yeah.
But I think we are going to head back to the Airbnb and call it a night. Maybe go out to the strip for a little bit, but I think that's going to be for us. So see you next time and subscribe if you like this. Bye.
See you guys.